Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of crypto arbitrage. We'll explore what it is, how you can profit from it, the best cryptocurrencies for arbitrage, whether Binance allows it, and how you can get started. Crypto arbitrage is a trading strategy that takes advantage of price discrepancies between different cryptocurrency exchanges. Essentially, it involves buying a cryptocurrency from one exchange at a lower price and selling it on another exchange where the price is higher. The goal is to capitalize on these price differences and generate a profit. While crypto arbitrage can be a lucrative strategy, it's important to note that the profitability can vary depending on market conditions. In the early days of crypto, the price disparities were more significant, leading to larger profits. However, as the market matures, the arbitrage opportunities have become less frequent and more challenging to exploit. That said, even in today's market, there are still opportunities for profit through crypto arbitrage. The key lies in thorough research, efficient execution, and utilizing advanced trading tools to identify and act upon these opportunities swiftly. When it comes to choosing the best cryptocurrencies for arbitrage, it's essential to consider factors such as trading volume, liquidity, and market volatility. Some popular cryptocurrencies that often present arbitrage opportunities include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and a few others. These coins tend to have high trading volumes and are listed on multiple exchanges, increasing the chances of finding price discrepancies. Binance is one of the largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges globally. However, it's important to note that Binance does not explicitly endorse or facilitate crypto arbitrage. While the exchange permits trading on its platform, it discourages any activity that may manipulate prices or exploit trading irregularities. So, while arbitrage is not explicitly prohibited, it's essential to adhere to Binance's terms of service and guidelines. To get started with crypto arbitrage, follow these steps. Research and choose exchanges. Identify reliable cryptocurrency exchanges that offer a wide range of coins with good liquidity and trading volume. Fund your accounts. Deposit funds into the selected exchanges, ensuring you have sufficient capital to execute trades swiftly. Monitor price discrepancies. Utilize advanced trading tools, such as price trackers and market analysis platforms, to identify potential arbitrage opportunities. Execute trades. Once you spot a profitable opportunity, act swiftly to buy the cryptocurrency at a lower price on one exchange and sell it at a higher price on another. Consider transaction costs. Remember to factor in transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and any other costs associated with trading and transferring funds between exchanges. Risk management. Develop a robust risk management strategy to protect your capital. Diversify your trades, set stop-loss orders, and stay informed about market trends. How profitable is arbitrage? The profitability of crypto arbitrage can vary greatly depending on market conditions, trading volume, and the efficiency of your execution. It's crucial to understand that while opportunities for substantial profits may not be as common as before, smaller, consistent gains can still be achieved. Profitability also depends on your ability to identify and capitalize on temporary price disparities swiftly. Advanced trading bots and algorithms can assist in automating this process and increasing efficiency. Additionally, keep in mind that market fluctuations and sudden price movements can lead to potential risks. Conduct thorough research, stay up to date with market news, and continually refine your trading strategy to maximize profits while minimizing risks. Conclusion. Crypto arbitrage can be an exciting and potentially profitable trading strategy, but it requires thorough research, constant monitoring, and efficient execution. While it may not be as lucrative as in the early days, there are still opportunities for profit in today's market. Remember to exercise caution, stay informed, and continually adapt your strategy to changing market conditions. And that's a wrap for today's video on crypto arbitrage. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy arbitrage trading, and see you in the next video.